Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the split view in Google Chrome. Okay, so right now you have a new feature in Google Chrome that if you want to use multiple page, you want to view your page side by side, it is now possible within the Google Chrome. Unlike before when you can do it using this feature, you can see we can have the side by side feature. For example, if you want to do with other content, maybe other folders, we can easily use this and it will give you side by side option to be able to view with other folders, and simultaneously you can move in around to view whichever folder that you are interested in viewing. Now you can do it within pages also in Google Chrome. So to do that, if you have multiple pages open like this, you can go to the tab at the top, you can right click, and then you can see tab to new split is like this. You can see it from the second item on the list. So you can just click and it is going to take this to the right and then give you an option to select from the available ones which one you want to actually use. So let's say I'm selecting this, and you can see I now have two screens side by side. Okay, so you can see I have two screens side by side, and you have the option to kind of hold on this until your cursor turns to this horizontal sign. If you want to adjust the size, you can use that to adjust the size as well for anything that you want to make bigger. Okay, and another thing is that you can see the sign over here. This is the sign for the split view. Whenever you look at the side that is colored black, it means you are on that page. Okay, if I'm on this page, you can see it switches and switches over here as well. Depending on the size that you are working on, it's going to quickly split according to the side that you are working on. Now, if you want to go back to the normal view, you can also always come over here and click, and you'll be able to see you can have separate views. Okay, just left clicking and you have separate views, and you can close left view or close right view. Alternatively, you can see the close option over here, which will give you the option to close. Once you close on this, it means you've closed down that particular tab. It's not that you are closing it from this view, but you are closing it entirely. Okay, even the same thing in here, you can close it directly. Okay, so another way to do it is you can reverse the view. You can see right now I have reversed the view, and click again and reverse it back to the other way. Okay, so I have reversed the view also to another form. So it's up to you. You can play around with this. If you don't have the arrange split view icon over here, you can as well enable it. Let me go back to separate view, and you can see right now we don't have it over here. So all you need is to just hover over any of your icons over here, right click it, and you can see customize the toolbar. You can come down here, you can see open split in split view. You can enable it, and this is now going to add that split view in here. So you now have it pinned as an icon that anytime you are working on a subject and you want to view the split view, you can always get back and click on it, and you just quickly have the split view, and you can go back to separate views and then continue with what you are working on. Okay, another very important feature that I like about the split view in Chrome is that you can do the same with links as well. You can open links. Once you have this enabled on your system, you can open links also directly using the split view. So all you need, for example, I have these links on Google and I'm interested in opening any of them side by side to what I have. So you can just click and drag and just go to the side. Okay, you just hover over to the end and just stay for a second, and then you can drop the link in here, and it is going to open that particular web message or link that you have moved in here. You can see it's a very wonderful feature that you can easily use. And if you right click on another one, you can open in the left view. For example, you can click and it will open in this left view. It will replace the same view that you have before. That page that you have is going to be replaced by this. You can open another one as well. You can say open in left view. You can open it on the left view. So this will enable you to quickly reshuffle or check in on sites without you actually moving away from the Google website. Okay, so it's a very cool feature that you can try, and it will enhance your productivity in the use of Google Chrome. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the Chrome split view feature to split your views and view your pages side by side within Google Chrome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.